Hello, and welcome to this, some origami with MrOwenThornton. It's me. Now we're going to go through this, and I filmed the entire thing with my phone in my mouth. So this is going to look a little bit fiddlier than it is, only because I was doing this entirely by touch. That's how easy this origami is. What you want to do is you want to start with 8 pieces of square paper. I have origami paper because I'm just one of those nerds. If you don't, you can take some regular printer paper, which for this actually works a little bit better. You want a nice, heavier, thicker, more robust paper if you're going to actually play with the finished product. Take a piece of paper, fold your diagonals, get them nicely into place. Look at this concentration here as I feel that that corner is spot on, which it wasn't quite. Open both your diagonals out, and next you want to put one single crease through the centre, just a square fold. Then once you put that fold through the middle, open it out, and on one side you're going to pull the corner into the middle as if you're creating a paper aeroplane. You want to do this with both sides on the left side of your model. And then on the other side of this piece of paper, you want to fold inwards along the 2 diagonal creases that are left. It's roughly you folded them the wrong way to start with, but the crease is still there, so it should still fold. And there you go, that is one completed piece. You want to do exactly the same thing with the other 7 pieces of paper. I would recommend doing it all the same way, so crease all the corners in on the left side, crease, fold the right side inwards, because if not, they rotate oddly and then you'll never get this done. Next thing you want to do is take these 2 alternate colours. I've done 2 alternate colours just because it looks pretty. And in the open side, place the closed side of the next piece. So if you look, one of them doesn't open at all, the other side opens out into like a little flappy thing. Put the closed side of the next one into the open side, fold the corners of the open side of the first piece into the open side of the second piece. Then place your third piece into the open side of the second piece between the folded hooks of the first piece. The folded hooks basically hold each piece in with the next, because this thing moves when we're done with it, and we don't want things falling apart. Trying to put 6, 7 and 8 together, well, 7, 8 and 1 together can be a little bit tricky, because you've got to make sure that none of your fold hooks overlap with anything, so make sure that it goes in between the piece that it's hooking into and the piece that one hooks into. Basically, just make sure that everything can move freely, because once you're done hooking things in, it's time to get to the good bit. As you can see here, we're making a lovely little octagon. Yeah. And then just push, and you come up with this wonderful little pinwheel, ninja star thing. And when you want it to just be a plain little octagon again, you pull it out and it acts like a frisbee.